Today, we're gonna do everything I bought at World Market. Let's get into it. Hawaiian sweet and spicy pineapple, truffle buttered chips, sorghum puffs, peri-peri, Twiglets, ramen soup, Heinz beans, Stroopwafels. And this is my favorite chocolate. Oh my gosh. Berry Love chocolate. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Korea chicken sauce. I never tried sardines before. Panda. Chips, cookies, crackers, gummy liquid filled poppers, dark Kit Kat, Mars bar. And I was like, oh, Mars bar. This is matcha spread. All right, so let's start off. There's so much food. Obviously, there's some things that we cannot try today, like this guy right here. We're not gonna be cooking up kare. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it onto the side. Let's try the Twiglets. Kind of smells like chocolate. All right, let's try it. 이거는 그냥 탄 맛이야, 탄 맛. It is burnt taste. It literally tastes like burnt chips. They're good. I like them. They look like inside. I like it. All right, guys, let's try the Ireland chips. That's what it looks like inside. I love the texture of it. You see the pepper on there. Not the biggest fan. Oh, it looks like ramen soup. It's good. It's very strong. It's tangy. Something about it's very tangy. The beans. Very tomatoey looking. Very tomatoey. It just tastes like tomato paste and beans. It's not sweet at all. Matcha spread. Yanggang. Do you guys know what yanggang is? Where is this made from? All right, let's try this Stroopwafels. It's like a hard but still waffle with like caramel in it. Good.